New York LINKZ was at the most anticipated sound clash of the year at Killamanjro in Queens, New York. Between King Jammy'S Sound, Black Scorpio, and Ricky Trooper.
We are here inside Killamanjro. Of course, Ricky Trooper just came off with Killamanjro, but on stage right now is the one and the only Black Scorpio, and of course, the next sound up right after him will be King Jammy'S. Sync TV, New York LINKZ, right here inside Killamanjro. It's all about the big clashes of the big sounds. It's all about the three-way clash today. What do you think about the clash so far?
Well, so far, Scorpio have the lead, you know, and that's what the thing there. Right now, to me see it come like between Killamanjro and Scorpio. And them two, man, let me see I hold it up firm right now. Right now, Jammy'S a struggle.
Oh, all right, so there we have it. No one's saying that.
What do you think about the clash so far?
Well, you don't know. Enough respect, you know, me not tell you like. Everybody who miss a dance after that a dancer. After that a dancer is a legend dance. So the man say.
First of all, tell everyone who's in the clash tonight and well, who selected.
Who are playing that dance? Yeah. King Jammy'S, Black Scorpio, and Killamanjro.
All right, so who do you think is in first place right now?
In first place, right now, two souls are going right now. Jaro and Scorpio are going.
Oh my goodness, it's crazy in here.
Who do you think is on top right now, man?
Right now, I think it's Black Scorpio right now is on top. Personally, my personal opinion, I think it's Black Scorpio.
Here at Killamanjro, the first elimination was King Jammy'S, and of course right now they're coming to the decision between Killamanjro and Black Scorpio. I don't know, it's pretty close. Let's see what the outcome is. We're wrapping up here, right here at Killamanjro, Sync TV, New York LINKZ. Richard, Strellis, keep it locked.
Two veterans against a younger but well-experienced sound.